Hey guys, it is Catherine here. Today I am doing a unboxing, which is my Box of Stories December box, which is a subscription in the UK. I pay £20 a month for 4 books. I have the science and fantasy subscription. Here is my little munchkin over here. You might see her in the camera. Yes, my background is trashed. It's called Taking Christmas Decorations like up and then down, and disasters everywhere for the new year. We're trying to patch holes everywhere and paint our walls since the new year is happening and we only have like a year and a half left overseas. And yeah, let's get into this box. Alright, I'm going to try to open it. I can't show you guys me opening it because they have my address. And I prefer that not be on the internet, even though I am on military base, so you can't get to my house anyways. But let's get this open. Where are you watching? Can you say Blue's Clues? Okay, there we go. So it comes with 4 books. And it's all recyclable. So here we go. Let's take. So this is my December box. Came with a little card. I get this monthly, but you can get it like every 2 months, every 3 months. I get this monthly just because I love books. And my husband likes books too. So here, this looks like more like a box my husband will like. Yep, that's a crock. Yep, thanks. You eating your cookies? Yeah? You want me to have a bite? That's nasty. Alright, so the first book that I got is Steel Frame by Andrew Skinner. Yeah, these are books my husband will like to read. This one, it says Fly Hard. Rook is a jockey, a soldier trained to fly shells, huge robots that fight for the edge of settled space. When her squad is overrun and killed, Rook is imprisoned, left scarred and broken. Hollow and helpless without her steel frame, she's ready to call it quits. Then she's sold to Norcol, a vast frontier company, given another shell, a near-decrepit Juno, as broken as she is and centuries older, and sent to a rusting bucket of a ship to patrol the Eye, an unnerving permanent storm in space where something is stirring. That is the first book I got. So, I don't know if every box you get the same exact thing. We're looking, so my husband and I, we love books. My husband's more of a history person where I'm more sci-fi. So I'm actually looking at getting him a subscription as well for books. But, probably not this year because he's not even supposed to be home except for like 3 months out of this coming year. Yay me. The next one is called The Camera Code by Wayne Santos. Everything for hire, even magic. If you need something done, cloak one of the best. A mercenary with some unusual talents and an attitude to match. But when she's hired by a virtual contract to destroy the other copies of himself, and the down payment is a new magical skill, she knows that this job is going to be a league harder than anything she's ever done. It's book 1 of the Witch War series. Why'd you do this to me? I hate when they send me a book of a series, because then I have to go look. I have to go look for that series if I like the book. And then, like, the cheaper option is buying the whole series. And then I have a duplicate of that book. I hate that. snapping me. Bit. The next one is called An Orc on the Wild Side. Right. Winter is coming, so why not get away from it all? Being the Dark Lord and Prince of Evil is not as fun as it sounds, particularly if you're basically a decent person. Technically, King Mordic is more goblin than person, but the point is that he's really keen to be a lot less despicable than his predecessors. Not that the other goblins appreciate Mordric's attempt to redefine the role. Why should they, when his new healthcare program seems designed to actually extend life expectancy? His effort to end a perfectly reasonable war with the dwarves appeared to have become an obsession. With confidence in his leadership crumbling, what Mordic desperately needs is a distraction. Perhaps some of these humans moving to the realm in search of great homes at an affordable price will be able to help. Maybe. Oh, those are toys. I'm like, why are there toys behind me? I have a toddler. Alright, the last one is called Overdrawn. I'm like reading, I was like, oh wait, it's, okay. This one, I like the cover. Out of all these, this is my favorite cover. Henry Morris is watching his wife slip away from him. In a geese society where euthanism is encouraged as a patriotic act, dementia is no longer tolerable. Caitlin, a young waitress, is desperate for the funds to keep her brother's life support machine switched on. When a chance encounter brings the two together, they embark on an unconventional business arrangement that will force them to confess their prejudices, as well as their darkest, deepest secrets. I think I will like this book. But that is my unboxing of the Box of Stories December. I hope you guys like the description of those, and I will see you guys in my next video.